Relying on tips and tricks will not be enough for you to be comfortable in high heels. To take it to the next level, you need to do foot stretches, because did you know in just one foot you have 20 plus muscles, 33 ligaments and 20 tendons. Also, you can move your feet. And by doing foot stretches and exercises, you can increase the mobility, stability, and also the flexibility in your feet and also in your legs, so you can last longer in high heels. Disclaimer: before beginning with any exercise, it is essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional. They can provide personalized guidance and assess whether these exercises are suitable for you. When you wear high heels, you actually put a lot more tension and strain on certain muscles compared to when you wear flat shoes. That's why it's important to do these foot exercises and also stretches, because your body and feet, they are not meant to wear high heels, especially these YSL Opium heels and these Saucade Christian Louboutin heels. These exercises that I'm going to show you in this video, it will make the heels that are already manageable feel a lot better when you do these foot exercises. But before I'm going to dive into that, I want to show you what actually happens in our body when you do foot stretches. When we haven't been active for a long time, our bodies get stiff. And the same applies when you haven't worn heels for a while, because your body is not used to standing in that position. This is why it's important to do the foot stretches and also the exercises to train those muscles to stand in elevated shoes. Now, there's something inside us called fascia, and it's a microscopic web interwoven with collagen fibers. These fibers are all over our muscles, in our bones, and even in our nerves. But today I'm going to focus on the fascia in our feet and legs. Now, this is very important to understand. When you are an active person that moves a lot, works out, and or stretch a lot, your fascia fibers are aligned and flexible. But if you are not active, your fascia gets thick and even tangles up. This restriction often manifests as discomfort and pain, which can stop you from engaging in stretching exercises, which only makes it worse. And this right here can slowly block our muscles and other body parts from getting important nutrients like blood and moisture. However, through techniques like massage and stretching, these collagen fibers within fascia can be realigned, helping you have smoother muscle movement and reduced cramps. So yes, stretching your feet and legs is not only good for high heels, but also amazing for your body overall health. This is where heels come in. Wearing heels for a long extended time can put extra pressure on our feet and legs. If our fascia is already tangled and stiff when wearing heels, it can make the state of these fibers worse. But if we stretch regularly, it helps untangle and align those collagen fibers so our muscles in our feet and legs can move smoothly, and we're less likely to suffer from pain and cramps. So all in all, foot stretches are crucial for comfortable high heel wearing. Foot stretches also prevent foot issues. We're talking about foot issues like plantar fasciitis, where you have a lot of pain in your heel, or metatarsalgia, where you feel a lot of pain in the balls of your feet, and especially when you wear high heels. We're also talking about Achilles tendonitis, where the Achilles tendon have a lot of pain, and when you wear heels a lot and you don't do your foot stretches and exercises, your Achilles tendon actually becomes shorter. If you have a foot injury and you go to a physical therapist, they're going to show you these exercises that I'm going to show you. So here are some of the foot stretches that you can do to wear your heels without pain. So we're going to start and do some exercises and stretches. And you might be looking right now wondering, Vanessa, what happened to your hair? It's shorter. Listen, this is my gym wig, okay? This is how I can get down and dirty and gritty, you know, and do all of that good stuff in the gym. But anyways, let's get started with the first exercise. We're going to do a simple warm-up you can do while sitting down. This is called the ankle alphabet exercise. It is great for ankle stability and control, and you need strong ankles when you wear heels to prevent those annoying ankle sprains. And it's overall crucial to have strong ankles. So this is what you're going to do. While sitting down, you lift one leg up so that your foot is off the floor, and you're going to write the complete alphabet with your feet. To keep it light and simple, we're going to do the ankle alphabet from the letter A, and we're ending at M. But if you feel like you can continue, you can go and continue till you reach the letter Z. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now we're going to repeat this exercise on the left foot. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. That is pretty intense, right? Now, to relax your feet, we are going to rotate our feet. While sitting down, place your left foot on your right knees, just like this, and now grab your forefoot and gently rotate your feet. This will help to loosen up your muscles. Remember, don't overdo it and respect your body. You're going to rotate your feet for 20 seconds. Now, rotate the other foot. By the way, you can do this exercise whenever you've worn heels. So don't just go wear your heels for many hours and go home and just lay in bed. Do this exercise, rotate your feet, and it's really going to help to bring your feet back in its natural state. So this is something that you can do regularly, and honestly, doesn't it feel good? Now that you've relaxed your feet, we're going to do an exercise that might seem easy to do, but it's pretty hard. It's called foot tapping, and you want to continuously tap your left and right foot on the floor as quick as possible. You might think it's a piece of cake, but it's pretty tough. Are you ready? We're going to tap our feet for 30 seconds. Let's go. With foot tapping, it is great for reduction of swelling. It's a quick refresh and it relieves foot fatigue. But next to that, it can also really help to improve how you feel in high heels, because it's like a foot muscle activation, and this adds muscle strength that you need for better support and stability when you wear high heels. So you want to do foot tapping. Now we're going back to rotating our feet. Now rotate the other foot. Now we're going to do the last but definitely not least exercise, the plantar fascia stretch. Some even say this is the perfect exercise to cure plantar fasciitis, but you're going to do this to make your feet more agile, reduce risk of injuries, and to improve your foot flexibility. I'm using a stretch band, but you can use a towel. So this is how you can do the plantar fascia towel stretch. Get ready by placing a towel under the ball of your foot. Keep your knee straight without bending. This is very important, okay? Gently pull the towel towards you, and as you do this, you start to feel a stretch in the bottom of your foot and in the back of your calf muscle, okay? Maintain this stretch for about 20 seconds. So that is what we're going to do for 20 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to repeat on the other foot and keep your knee straight without bending it, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Three, 2, 1. You did so well. So how do you feel after doing these exercises? Please let me know in the comment sections. To actually wear your heels without pain, you have to implement these tips and tricks that I'm giving you in this video. Just know that all of these exercises that I showed you, there are so much more on High Heels Therapy, the online course where you can learn how to wear high heels without pain by doing foot exercises and stretches just like I showed you. Last but definitely not least, the most important about all of this is to combine it with proper footwear. Choosing the right high heels to complement these foot stretches. You need to find heels that are already manageable, and by doing these foot exercises, they can help and become comfortable and you can last longer in them. And if you're wondering, how can I find the most comfortable heels for me? Make sure you download the free Shopping for High Heels checklist. It's going to help you choose the best high heels for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you the next time, and I'm going to talk about how you can be comfortable in high heels.